I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I won a doll. I won a doll from Let's Talk About It with Jamie, and it was so easy to win. I mean, from Thanksgiving through Christmas Eve, Jamie, well, actually, she did it through January 2nd, I believe. Jamie does her videos and then premieres them at 5 o'clock Central Time. And if you want a fun time with a cute or good video, you should come. We kid her, and she's fun, and she's funny, and she's honest about the dolls, and that's what makes it so fun. And we always joke. A lot of us that go to her premieres have Blythe dolls, and it always comes back to Blythe. Something is always said about Blythe, or do the clothes fit Blythe, or let me see how big she is, let me stand her next to my Blythe. It's a good time. I highly recommend going to Let's Talk About It with Jamie, her 5 o'clock premieres. Anyway, she said you could win a doll if you went to her channel and watched her premieres from Thanksgiving through Christmas Eve. I'm trying to remember. And are you kidding? I went just because it's fun. And I won a doll. I am very excited. Jamie, I can't thank you enough. To all the people that go to those 5 o'clocks, go in the comments and tell everybody how fun Jamie's premieres are. Woo-hoo. This is exciting. Okay, I have a note there because she told me that something's in here and I want to get the name right. Let me get this open. So Jamie opened dolls every day between Thanksgiving, the day after Thanksgiving, and Christmas Eve. I think she opened some after too, actually. She did some beautiful holiday Barbies. She did some Playline dolls. She did all kinds of dolls. And she's honest. If she pulls them out of the box and doesn't like them, you know it immediately. And she had mixed words. I mean, she's like, oh, there's a lot of hair product in her hair. And it's fun. Oh boy, this is really taped up. I love that. That's how I send my packages. I don't want any excuses from the post office about, oh, it was coming apart and it didn't get there because it went somewhere else, like their house. Cut a little bit more tape. Here we go. I want a doll. Oh, I really like this doll too. Okay. Before I show you that, oh, I've seen these before. I wanted to show you the head that Jamie had sent me. Jamie collects Cabbage Patch Kids, and you can see a lot on her channel. She also has, what's really fun, a history of rag dolls, and I think it's 2 parts, if not 3. And there was a woman named Martha Nelson Thomas that came up with the idea of the Cabbage Patch doll. And Jamie has the whole story on her channel about how basically her ideas were stolen from her. Anyway, she sent me that thinking I could make a body for her, which is quite complimentary. Thank you, Jamie. And then this is the doll that I won. And she picked this out for me, she said, because this is so cool. I love this for kids. These are Be Kind dolls. And they have patterns and fabrics and needle and thread, and you can make this doll clothes. And I think Jamie said, and I haven't read the whole thing, that it even tells you how to use like an old t-shirt to make these dolls something. Isn't that the coolest? We are Be Kind. We believe that being kind to each other and the environment is so important. Each of us cares deeply about changing the world. You know, I'm all about the environment. All kidding aside, I was green before there was a word. My dad, back in the 50s and 60s, probably all of his life, he hated plastic anything, and especially when Pampers came out, oh my, that man had a fit. Now we're gonna wrap baby and put it in the landfills in plastic. And he was all about keeping the woods clean and the streams clean. And in the 70s, when it became cool, I was already doing it. Jamie, I can't thank you enough. This doll means a lot, not just because it came from you, which is a big deal, but also because it is about the environment, and I love that it starts kids crafting. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. If Jamie has a 5 o'clock Central Time premiere, I'm telling you, it's a really good time. You should go and see. I'm going to link Jamie's channel below, and you can go by and check out her rag doll history and see the beautiful dolls that she had. Leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.